Hey guys, welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So we're going to do some 10-cent coin roll hunting today. So if you've seen the coin roll hunt I did the other day, which was the 5-cent coin roll hunt, I'm going to try that again where we'll go through a couple of rolls and hopefully if we find something great. But then we'll pause the video and I'll continue to go through the rolls and in the hope of finding something worth showing you guys. So we'll start it off today and see how we go. How many rolls have I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 rolls maybe. So yeah, we'll see how we go and what we can find in this lot. Zoom in a bit closer again, just so you guys can see the dates. Sorry about the glare. So there's lots of CUDs we can find on 10-cent coins. Not necessarily great value, but certainly you'll find them around the 0 and the 1 and sometimes in the feathers. So keep an eye out for those kind of errors as well. There are tilted collars. What else we got? Low mintage coins. So there's a fair bit to look for, but not a lot of variety as far as commemorative coins and that kind of thing goes, because most of the 10-cent coins are all the same, and they've stayed the same, other than one of them, which was the 2016 changeover, where they still kept the lyrebird, but the obverse has the different changeover design. So yeah, not a lot to look for in that regard. So we will just get through these fairly quickly in the hope of finding 2011 10-cent coin, the 85, and there are a few other low mintage coins. We're always looking for coins that have shown very little wear, so anything that just looks really good for its age. So I'm probably not looking through these coins in the best way, but I'll try and do so a little bit better when I'm not trying to get through them as quick as what I'm trying to get through right now, just because I don't want to bore you guys. A little bit off center, but the rim seems normal, so yeah. Alright guys, well I'm at the end of the first roll. I'll pause here and be back soon. Alright guys, so we're 5 or 6 rolls in, and I found 2 changeovers, 2016 changeovers, and one 2011 low mintage coin, so around the 1.8 million, so fairly good going so far. So we'll keep going and see what else we can find. Alright guys, found a couple of nice CUDs. This is one of the huge CUDs that can be found on the 1999 10-cent coin. I have plenty of these ones actually, but this is I haven't found one in a very long time, so this is one of them, and you can see there, massive CUD in the tail feathers there, and the other one is also a fairly nice CUD on the top of the 0 there. Let's see that there. Sometimes there's very small CUDs, which I have seen today, but haven't bothered pausing for, but that's a nice CUD there. That's a 2012. So yeah, nice couple of finds right there. Zoom in a bit closer on that one, and the other one, nice big chunky CUD there. Alright guys, I'll keep going. Alright guys, so just finished going through all the rolls. Ended up finding 4 of the changeover coins. Did find a coin with someone got a bit bored and drilled a hole in it. The 2 Cud coins, which we just showed just before. And I'm very happy with myself because I found 2 2011s. I've successfully stopped them from heading down to Tasmania. Sorry, a bit of an inside joke there, but Brad from Tazzzie Adventures will get where I'm going there. Hey, check out his channel, Tazzzie Adventures. Got 3 Z's in it. I'll put a link in the description. He finds gold in rivers. It's really interesting. So go and check out his channel and see what Brad's been up to. As I said, link will be in the description. Alright guys, hope you've enjoyed this 10-cent coin roll hunt, and look forward to bringing more videos to you soon. Thanks for watching.